Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a rare find. Located in a gated complex on Norbrook Road, Kingston 8. Step into this spacious ground floor apartment, boasting 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Enjoy walk-in closets and ensuite bathrooms in your primary and secondary suites on the main floor. This is a one-of-a-kind apartment featuring a basement level with 2 more bedrooms and a comfortable space for a living or games room. There is also a well laid out kitchen, laundry area, AC units, and ceiling fans, ample parking space, swimming pool, etc. But don't miss out on this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this apartment. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this apartment is Jamaican 63.5 million or US $412.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.